Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to make beef sauce updated. Start by gathering beef, aromatics, liquids, and seasonings before you heat a pan. Use a mix of savory stock, a little acidity, and soy or Worcestershire to create depth. Brown the beef to develop fond, then deglaze the pan to lift those flavors. Simmer gently until the sauce thickens and the flavors marry into a rich, balanced result. Use a few simple techniques to maximize flavor and texture for your beef sauce. Brown the meat in a hot pan in small batches so you get a deep roast flavor and lots of fond. Deglaze with wine or stock, scraping the pan to dissolve those brown bits into the sauce. Then simmer low and slow while skimming foam and adjusting salt so the result is glossy, smooth, and deeply savory. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: a short, friendly book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you prioritize spending and saving, which might free up cash for better ingredients or kitchen tools. It's a small nudge toward smarter choices that pairs with cooking discipline. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Finish your beef sauce with attention to balance and texture for the best eating experience. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, and add a pinch of sugar or a splash of vinegar to lift the flavors if needed. For richness, whisk in cold butter or a little cream off heat to create a silky finish. Serve the sauce over pasta, rice, or roasted vegetables and garnish with fresh herbs to brighten each plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.